Hey guys, welcome back to RV Tips and Travels. Today we're taking you along with us to the 2022 RV show at the Allentown Fairgrounds in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We got a lot of floor plans to take a look at, so we hope you stick around and see what's new in 2022.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99.
I normally don't like the kitchen right next to the living room, but this isn't bad, right?
Yeah, I like this. I like this. Nice area if you're gonna make it into
An office. Yep.
Wow. Washer and dryer. There's no need for this much sleeping space for the puppies. I don't hate this, and at least you can get around the bed. Like, it's easier to make the bed than ours is to make a bed.
Yeah. It's not much different than ours, except the fridge
This.
is here because this is here.
Yeah. They're bigger.
Yeah, that's nice, isn't it?
That's a nice size. Wow. That's a lot bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, our fridge is tiny, huh?
Yeah, our fridge is very tiny. We hardly get anything in our fridge. The drawers are even nicer than the four. That one big drawer
Yeah.
I like.
This is their
This is
XLS.
the Imagine.
It's
yeah.
like their base Imagine, yeah. It's nice.
Never seen this before. Duble fridge.
Yeah.
Never saw that. Right?
No. Lighting, floor lighting.
Yeah. That's nice at night when Gigi has to go outside. And this would be like a washer and dryer.
Yeah, you
So
could,
you don't even have any room in here. Ours at least has that one up front that I can hang if I have to. I mean, this is much bigger than ours, but I don't know that I need all these. We have a fold-away table. This is odd.
this is a very strange floor plan, yeah.
I definitely like their fridges better though. Look at this. It's just weird.
Yeah, this
Like-
is a very strange floor plan.
Yeah.
And this is the bathroom.
What do you think?
I mean, there's a lot of counter space, ton of counter space.
But it's an odd way to have counter space.
Yeah.
I'd rather have an island and have space around me.
Yep.
Wow. This is giant. Right?
For a small trailer, yeah, these are big fridges.
This one's bigger than the others.
I like the finish too, right?
I need a
slider.
Yeah. They could take these out and make this so much bigger as like a couple's.
Yeah.
Like just take these out and make this a huge, beautiful bathroom for somebody who enjoys their showers. Because ours, you truly cannot get around the bed, but I'm making it. It's very difficult.
Yeah.
Just practical wise.
And they put these in here to put your cell phones.
Like a little cubby.
Yeah.
I still, short people unite. I still can't reach. Oh, good. Look at this too.
Yep.
It's in a much better place than ours. Ours is difficult because you can't. It's in a difficult
I was
place.
thinking about that. Yeah. This isn't bad though.
No. Can't cook a turkey in there. Again, just take this out and make it a beautiful bathroom for somebody who enjoys their showers.
So very similar to ours, except it's light wood, and the fridge is on the other side.
The fridge is just bigger. These fridges are just bigger. Your puppies. Yeah.
I need one of those because we're putting everything behind the TV now for them. I love these fridges, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, they're so deep. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
This is nice. Not enough counter
out
space.
on your counter space.
Yeah. What do you think of this one?
It's okay. No?
I don't like the living space right next to the island and kitchen. I want something separating. I wonder if they have any really big ones with like the floor plans we like, right?
I don't know. It's a bowl. Not like that. This is a good idea. That makes it look nice at least.
Yeah.
I like these colors though, like that black with the white. I like.
That looks
like with
nice.
these poles, I think that looks nice.
This is the one that's
This is an idea, right?
all protected already. And it's warranty for 5 years, not to say. Not to 5.
I like the bathroom.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Black on white.
Yep.
Look at that sink, hon.
Yep. Nice. King or queen.
That is a
This
queen.
isn't, but it says king or queen.
Yeah, I think they change out the sides to put a king in. This is definitely a queen.
The other side has a little diagram in the kitchen.
Brush your teeth and sit on the toilet, all at the same time.
Small.
See if it'll fit me as a giant. It fits.
Fits?
I mean, I'm a giant, so.
These little floor plans remind me of that Winnebago we looked at, right?
Yeah. It's just tiny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Excuse me. Wow, this is an interesting floor plan, huh?
I was just gonna say, if I could get this out,
You put a couch in there.
put a couch or two, like, ones that kick out and like the middle for the pups, I would love this.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of room. I don't care that the
Oh.
bedroom's right there. It helps me to walk around it and make it.
Doesn't that look really big, that
Yes,
bedroom?
it looks very big.
It's a king, that's why. It's a
Yeah.
king size mattress and it overhangs, yep.
I mean, there's not a ton of counter space in here.
Look at this.
That's nice.
It is nice, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, yeah.
We gotta buy it.
This is interesting. Very different. Look at that, hon. It's got a seat.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Look at that. That's tight, right?
Yeah. You want it? Look at that shower head. That would need to be replaced. Toot sweet. I bet you get no water. We wake up in the middle of the night, there'll be a little girl in there.
Yep. The Grand Designs are still the nicest.
Those are the ones I like the best.
Yep. Did we look in this one?
There's nothing here as far as Grand Design goes that would compare to the big one though. Here, I'm saying.
No. They might have a solitude outside. It's like diner style,
Yeah,
right?
it's retro. I should have got them modified for $70,000, you know? I think that's not a lot of money, but I think it's a lot of money. They could take all this out, make it a closet, and this could be my dressing area. Make the bathroom bigger without that. I know it's upstairs, but... Or make that the bathroom and make this the closet.
Yep. Right by the bedroom. Yeah.
This isn't sufficient. Like, where are you going with this? To Canolos for the weekend? Right?
Yeah. Nice big one. We can maybe talk about putting a down payment on it, right?
I'm sorry.
There's your floor plan. You like the front living, right?
I like the front living or
Front kitchen.
front kitchen. But I like it that it's separated into spaces. It feels more like a house. Again, where are we going with that? I wish the bathrooms were bigger.
Yeah, well, I like the front living is nice though. I like that way. Yeah, yeah.
This looks a lot like the big one.
It does. You know? The
This
pantry.
is a bathroom or a pantry.
You had the
depending
option,
upon-
yep.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a bathroom. I wouldn't need a bathroom. I would want
I'd rather a
pantry.
pantry, yeah.
You know how much puppy food we would have to stack up on?
Yeah. And what people do, you don't use this, you put a table across the back and then make it like an office.
An office, yeah.